Fancy tutorial, reverse flick. This is typically used as a finishing move. For a reverse flick, start by spreading the cards and pushing them upward, then flick to the right. If using your left hand, flick from left to right in a curved motion. Normally, your index finger might get in the way, so while executing the curve, add a slight upward lifting force. Once you get familiar with the feel, gradually adjust the angle slightly. Keep practicing, refining the motion with each attempt until you can perform the reverse flick horizontally or even vertically.